Hello and welcome to Soulful AIP. I have done it, y'all. I developed a bomb recipe for AIP cheese sauce. When your husband says he wants to slather it on some broccoli, you on to something. This cheese sauce is dairy-free, nut-free, nightshade-free, and is awesome on noodles for mac and cheese. So if you want to see how I made this creamy awesome sauce, keep watching for the ingredients and steps. Mm, mm, Go ahead and take a bite. I hope that you enjoyed this creamy, delectable AIP cheese sauce. Let me know in the comments if you plan to try this out and if you would like to see how I plan to use this sauce in additional recipes because, baby, I have plans for this sauce, okay? Leave a like and hit the subscribe button for more AIP cooking content. Thanks for watching.